Okay, to create your travel brochures, go to your start menu. I would type in Publisher. And then we will open that. Okay, then on the search box at the top, type in brochure. We're going to be using a template to create this. Brochure. Okay, then you see there's quite a list, so we are going to all pick the same just to make life easier as we are working on things. So you want to scroll down until you find the one that says Business Trifold Brochure, and then it has Civic in parentheses. Okay, so once you find that, you can click on it and then say Create. Okay, one of the first things we're going to do is I'm going to give you a chance to kind of make this more your own. So we're going to click on Page Design. And then here you see the color schemes. So I'll give you about a minute to pick a color scheme that you like. If you choose one, then you can see how it'll affect your template. So I'll give you a minute here to find one that you like that maybe kind of goes with your destination. About 30 seconds. You can always come back later once you get into designing it, you don't like what you have chosen. Okay, then in the same area, you can come to fonts. And if you'd like a different kind of overall font theme than what they have chosen, you can change that. Okay, then some basics of brochures. From what we're looking at, which of these would be like my front page? When I had it folded up, which would be considered the front? The right side one? Okay, so this is considered my front. So what does it mean this middle one is? If it's folded up, where's that middle piece? The back. Okay, so that's like my very back. And then this one, that means it's the one, like when you open it up, that's the first thing you're going to see. Okay, so then if we click on page 2, this is pretty much then just how, when it's opened up, that's exactly how things look. Now, probably these book pictures don't go with where you're traveling to, correct? So you can either just delete them, so I could click and I could delete it out, or I could click this little picture box that's in the middle and go find one of my own pictures that I want to put there. You can add more than just those 2 pictures. You can change font color, sizes, but I wouldn't, let me see what size it naturally is. So that's 6.4. That might be a little hard to read, right? So probably 10 maybe would be the smallest you'd want your font to be, so that'll be a change I'll probably have to make. And otherwise you'll just delete out their words, put in your own if you need to add headings. Because what are some of the things we researched on last week? Anybody remember what was one of the things you had to find about? Right, so I might say, here, I might say museums, kind of has a heading and make it bold, and then underneath I might list them or tell a little bit about them. So don't just put your information on there and make me have to figure out what you're talking about. Label it, that's what we would want to see. Any other questions? Okay, all of us are probably going to want to get rid of this book picture. So I am clicked on this text box, and I am going to send it backwards. So I'm up here at the top, and I'm going to send it to the back. Now I should be able to go and click on that book picture. Okay, and now I press delete, book picture is gone. The other ones, I think you can just easily replace them with something else or just get rid of them and move it somewhere.
On the top, the third box is right there.
On this one?
On the very top, the first thing.
This?
Yeah, the scroll over here with the service information.
Let me zoom in because I can't even read whatever you're talking about.
You can't mess with it.
Oh, this? Oh, so okay, probably have to do the same type of thing. I'm going to have to say send that box to the back. Now I can get in there and type on it. Okay, so probably anytime you're having problems getting something selected you want to change, if you just send whatever's kind of in the way to the back, then you should be able to go ahead and edit that.
You click on it and then hit send back.
Yeah, click on it and then send backward.